Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic balanced diet. We should consume food rich in nutrients. Our daily diet containing all the nutrients in adequate amounts. That means enough amount required for the healthy functioning of our body is known as balanced diet. We should eat food from all food groups every day. Nutrients can be classified under the following heads. The first one, energy giving foods. These are foods containing carbohydrates and fats which give your body energy. The second one, body building or tissue building foods. These are the food containing proteins which help your body to grow, and they also helps to build your muscles and bones. The next one, protective food. These are food containing vitamins and minerals. They protect your body from diseases. Next, malnutrition. Many of the poor people do not get enough food to eat. This insufficient nourishment leads to physical weakness and bad health called malnutrition. First, we are going to discuss about carbohydrate deficiency. Look at this child. He is suffering from a disease called marasmus. He is very thin and weak and also unable to move. The growth of the child is stopped and body tissues slowly waste away. What could be the reason for this disease? It is due to the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins in the diet. The next one, protein deficiency. As you already know, proteins are very essential for children to grow. But if there is a deficiency of proteins, it will affect the child, causing a disease called kwashiorkor. Look at this child. He is suffering from kwashiorkor. The symptoms of these are the stomach becomes swollen with water, muscles waste away, the skin gets discolored, hair becomes reddish and frizzy, physical and mental growth of the child has also stopped. Diseases caused by deficiency of nutritive elements. Diseases caused due to deficiency of nutritive elements or components of food are called nutrition deficiency disease. Consumption of balanced diet can help in preventing these diseases. Various nutritional deficiency diseases and their symptoms. Deficiency of carbohydrate and protein. We already discussed just now. The next we are going to discuss deficiency of fat. Deficiency of fat causes weakness in body. Symptoms, weakness and low energy. Next, deficiency of vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Symptom, poor vision. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Symptom, weakness. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Symptoms, bleeding gums, loose teeth and joint pain. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children and soft bones in adults. The symptom is bones become soft. Deficiency of vitamin E causes low reproductive capacity. Deficiency of vitamin K causes delayed blood clotting. Symptom, excessive bleeding after injury.